Hey everybody! In this video, we'll show you how to hide your Instagram followers and following list step by step using the official Instagram settings. So let's just dive right in and get started. So we can start by opening up Insta. And the thing you need to understand is Instagram does not fully hide followers or following on public accounts, but we can still control who sees them. So we can go to your profile. And the only official way to hide followers and following is tapping on the three lines and turning the private account option on. So you can look out for privacy option and go ahead and tap on it. You can go over to the section called account privacy and tap on it. And then switch on this toggle option right here for private account. So find this private account option and turn this option on right here by tapping on the toggle option. This is one of the method available. So once you turn on that option, what happens is only your approved followers can see your following and your followers list. Strangers will be able to see nothing. This is one of the most effective method you can follow up. Apart from that, what you can do is you can remove specific followers without blocking. So you can go to the followers page, and then once you go to the followers page, you just need to tap on the three dot at the top and select the option called remove follower. So go ahead and tap on it and confirm this one up. And when you do this, what will be happen is they will be removed and they won't be notified, so you don't need to worry about it. And this method only works if your account is private. Apart from that, you can even block someone. So in order to do so, once you head over their profile, tap on the three dot at the top and basically look out for the block option and tap on it. After you do so, you can wait for 5 to 10 seconds and unblock, and they are removed from followers and following connection. You can just go over, and that is it. So usually this is how you hide Instagram following and followers the official way. There are third-party applications that claim to do so, but it is not very good to rely on them. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.